It is 6:30 now. Some big questions surrounding the city of Sacramento this morning. Many want to know if the city violated a federal court order.
It turns out the city cleared several homeless people away from City Hall this month. But keep in mind, a federal judge had ordered Sacramento to stop clearing those encampments because of the extreme heat last week.
So let's go to ABC 10's Monica Coleman, who's live at City Hall this morning. Monica, why are homeless advocates saying it's important that the unhoused be able to camp outside of City Hall?
Bria, the Sacramento Homeless Union says that it's important that people be able to camp under shaded areas like the overhang right behind me here at City Hall when there's heat conditions that we've seen over the past summer that are in the triple digits. And they fought for the order stopping sweeps and why they say they will be taking legal action this week. The overhang in front of City Hall offers relief from the harsh Sacramento sun. Yesterday, there were no camps, no tents, despite a court order that homeless advocates say gave people the right to be there. Attorney Anthony Prince represents the Sacramento Homeless Union, which sought and won a temporary pause on homeless sweeps during the summer heat wave. Says the federal judge ruled no sweeps for 14 days last Thursday. On Friday morning, the Homeless Union says crews cleared City Hall anyways.
Members of the homeless community were put at risk by being put out from an area where there was shade into more of an exposed situation.
The union says it's preparing to file another motion asking the judge to hold the city in contempt, they say, in an effort to protect its members from the elements. The attorney also tells us that they informed the city that they should put a letter on the wall in front of City Hall to make sure that the unhoused know that they are allowed to rest there.
And Monica, what does the city have to say in response to this?
The city says, Bria, that a lapse of communication to the contractor is the reason that they were unfortunately sweeping the unhoused that live in front of City Hall here. You can see right behind me that people have returned, but take a look at this statement that the city gave us. In part, they say the city has been working diligently to follow all aspects of the federal court order, but that it was not as effective in communicating with one of its contractors and its employees, leading to the unintentional oversights that occurred Monday and Friday. The city says the situation involving City Hall has been addressed, and we know many people are wondering, well, it's not that hot anymore. We're seeing a high of 80 today. Why are the unhoused still able to live in front of City Hall? And like the court order says, they have 2 weeks, so that means August 17th is the final day, and then we'll reevaluate then. Bria.
All right, Monica Coleman live outside of City Hall in Sacramento this morning.